Hello future engineers, welcome back to Cutoff 360. In this video we'll be discussing in depth about JEE Main Chemistry 35 days plan for 95 plus percentile, where we'll be highlighting important topics, chapter wise weightage along with the most priority topics that you should give preference to score higher marks in JEE Main session 1 exam. So watch the video till the end. Before we start highlighting the main content of this video, let's take a walk you through what and all section we'll be discussing in this video. So as you can see on the screen, section 1 will consist of 35 days plan for chemistry preparation. So if you're planning for chemistry and if you have just started few days back or few weeks back, then this plan will surely help you to complete the chapters and get the desired percentile that you are looking for. Next, the most important part, which is chapter wise weightage plus difficulty of 11th and 12th combined. So if you want to pick up some important chapters as you have less time and get good marks in chemistry, then you must refer the chapter wise weightage plus difficulty level of both 11th and 12th combined. Then in section 3 we'll be discussing about daily weekly time management, which means how much time you should spend daily on chemistry, and in a week how much time you should spend to complete the task and revise for the whole chapters. And lastly we'll be discussing which is high scoring priority chapters for 95 plus percentile. So stay tuned till the end of this video. So let's start with discussing the first section, which is 35 days plan for chemistry preparation. So candidates who are appearing for the JEE Main 2026 exam can note down the important topics along with the time duration, and it will help you to prepare the subject more faster. Also, if you have started the preparation recently, then it will help you to complete the syllabus on time before the JEE starts. So we have divided the whole preparation into three parts actually, where in the first two parts we'll be trying to complete the syllabus, and the two parts is divided into 15 days each. So as you can see on the screen, for first 15 days you need to complete these many chapters highlighted on the screen, which is chemical bonding, coordinate compounds, P block, GOC plus reaction mechanism, chemical kinetics, electrochemistry, and NCERT inorganic line by line. So these are the topics that you need to complete within first 15 days to ensure that you are on the track and complete the syllabus on time before the JEE Mains session 1 2026 begins. Next, from the 16th day, candidate can start practicing the PYQ, which is 40 to 60 daily, and one minute test every 2 days can work fine for candidate to get confident for the exam day. And always it's recommended for candidate to focus on the weak topic, and during the 16 to 30 days period, candidate are advised to repeat NCERT for inorganic and basic organic theory. So these are the pointers that candidate need to consider during the 16 to 30 days preparation. Next, after that, during the 30 to 35th day, which is there may be chances that candidate might get more than 1 or 2 days extra for revision. So during that revision period, candidate are advised to give one full mock test daily, then revise the short notes that you have created during the preparation of the chemistry. Do revise formula for physical chemistry, because that is where most of the people forget formula during the exam day. And rapid NCERT reading for 1 or 2 hours daily can work fine for exam day. Now that you are aware of how you should plan your first 35 days for better marks in chemistry JEE Mains 2026 session 1 exam, let's take a look at this chapter wise weightage along with the difficulty level of the chapter and the time one should spend on each chapter. So first in the list, as you can see, we have mole concept. So the weightage is between 3 to 4% based on the previous year's trends. Difficulty level is medium, and candidate need to spend a minimum of 4 to 5 hours for the preparation of mole concept. When it comes to atomic structure, the weightage is expected to be between 1 to 2%, and the difficulty level is easy, and candidate to spend 1 to 2 hours. For chemical bonding, the expected weightage is 5 to 6% based on previous year's trends, and difficulty level is medium, and 5 hours is the minimum time that candidate need to spend on the chemical bonding. When it comes to thermodynamics, the expected weightage is 2 to 3% and the difficulty level is considered to be medium, and time spent on thermodynamics is 4 hours. Next, moving ahead, we have equilibrium. So the expected weightage is 4 to 5% and the difficulty level is considered to be medium to hard, where most of the candidates feel that the chapter is hard, and candidate need to spend a minimum of 5 to 6 hours to complete the chapter. For redox reaction, the expected weightage is 2% and the difficulty level is easy, and the time that candidate need to spend is 2 hours. For GOC, the expected weightage is 4% and difficulty level is medium, and the time candidate need to spend is 4 hours. And for hydrocarbons, the expected weightage is 3%. The difficulty level is easy and the time spent by candidate is 3 hours. Next, moving ahead, we have state of matter. So the expected weightage is 1% and the difficulty level is easy, and candidate need to spend a minimum of 1 hour on this chapter. For solid state, the expected weightage is 2% and the difficulty level is considered to be easy, and the candidate need to spend a minimum of 1 hour on this chapter. For solution, the expected weightage is 3% and difficulty level is medium, and candidate need to spend a minimum of 40 days for candidate need to spend minimum of 3 hours for preparation of solution. For electrochemistry, the expected weightage is between 3 to 4% and the difficulty level is medium. Candidate need to spend a minimum of 3 to 4 hours on this chapter. Next, moving ahead, we have chemical kinetics. So the expected weightage for the chapter is 2 to 3% and the difficulty level is easy. Candidate need to spend minimum of 2 to 3 hours for the preparation of chemical kinetics. For surface chemistry, the expected weightage is 1% and the difficulty level is considered to be easy, and candidate need to spend minimum 45 minutes for preparation of the chapter. For P block, the expected weightage is 6 to 7% and it is considered to be between moderate to easy, and candidate need to spend a minimum of 5 hours on this chapter. For D and F block, the expected weightage is 2% and the difficulty level is considered to be easy, and candidate need to spend minimum of 1 to 2 hours on this chapter. Next, moving ahead, we have coordinate compound. So for coordinate compound, the expected weightage is between 4 to 5% and the difficulty level is medium. Candidate need to spend 4 to 5 hours for the preparation of the chapter. For organic mechanism, the expected weightage is 4% and the difficulty level is medium, and candidate need to spend a minimum of 4 hours on this chapter. Last but not the least, we have aldehyde and ketones. So the expected weightage is 3 to 4% and the difficulty level is considered to be medium, and candidate need to spend a minimum of 4 hours to complete the chapter. For biomolecules and polymers, the expected weightage is 1 to 2% and the difficulty level is considered to be easy, and candidate need to spend a minimum of 1 hour to complete the chapter. So this is all for the expected weightage for different chapters. Let's discuss some of the important chapters that you need to give priority when it comes to preparing for chemistry exam. So as you can see on the screen, here's the list of top important chapters that you need 2%, or we can say it contains 40 to 45% of the weightage of the chapter, which is chemical bonding, coordinate compound, P block, electrochemistry, chemical kinetics, GOC plus reaction mechanism, and carbonyl and compound. These are the chapters that you need to ensure that you are perfect with when it comes to preparation of the chemistry subject. Next, let's take a look at some of the easy chapter which will easily give you marks, and it's considered under very easy chapters. So which is biomolecules, polymers, redox, solid state, hydrocarbons, alcohol, phenol and ether. So these are the chapters that are very easy and you can easily score marks in the JEE Main Session 1 exam. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video and the data present in it, then make sure to like and subscribe this channel. Also, stay tuned for more updates on various JEE, maths and physics updates, along with the important chapters, weightage, last 5 years trends and more.